Oostenburg housing complex by Space Encounters in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Oostenburg is one of the last urban transformation areas in the center of Amsterdam where former industrial production has made way for inner-city housing over time. In collaboration with OZ, Workshop Architects, and Beta, Space Encounters designed a striking housing complex as part of a large building block that surrounds the historical Werkspoorhal, at the heart of the area. The post-industrial site is currently being transformed into a vibrant and high-density residential neighborhood. Between a selection of historical and more recent buildings, a new, mixed urban context is being realized, consisting of buildings that differ in scale and size, and have inviting plinths and variations in the design of their rooflines. The Oostenburg project by Space Encounters was shaped with these parameters in mind to provide high-quality, high-density living. The building consists of 3 volumes, of which 2 contain a varied typological mix of dwellings and carry the names De Geiter and De Slijper. In between these 2 buildings, a narrow, lifted volume is clamped that accommodates the circulation spaces. This volume is wrapped in a transparent metal net structure that allows for visual connections to the surroundings and has a light and airy appearance in between the 2 housing blocks. The volumes and plinth are materialized with a rich material palette of white tiles, blue fences, and coarse-grained, green-gray concrete elements that are rough on the outside and smooth on the inside. Moreover, the dwellings on the ground floor have a generous ceiling height and a floor that is slightly elevated from the street level, providing them with an outdoor transition space in the densely built neighborhood. The street-facing facade of De Geiter has a solid grid facade containing 3 bays of windows, which, in an abstract way, echoes typical Amsterdam canal houses. In contrast, the side facade is open and transparent and contains the private outdoor spaces of the dwellings. The roofline shape of this facade hints at the shed roofs of the former industrial warehouses on the terrain. Further, facade enrichments of De Geiter come from the rough, tactile outer surfaces of the elements. This concrete moonscape engages in a striking play with both rain and sunshine. The street-facing facade of De Slijper has a strong horizontality that contrasts with the adjacent Werkspoorhal. The bright white tiles with blue joints and fences endow the building with a joyful appearance. The green patio in the center of the project connects to continuous green outside spaces that are flanked by an active plinth, consisting of commercial spaces, atelier dwellings, and the entrance lobby that is accessed through large doors. The building is crowned with a collective roof garden that provides all residents with additional outside spaces and magnificent views over the city.